Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change password on Pinterest. For that, first of all, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the saved option, which is on the bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on the three-dot menu icon, which is on top right. Go to settings. Under personal information section, there you'll see the option of account settings. Tap on it. Now select password. Now you'll need to enter your current password, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Then tap on done, which is on top right of your screen. After you tap on done, your password will be updated. This way you can change password on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.